Later. Alright, so we're going to attempt to do a drywall patch and a ceiling. Got a big hole, put a piece of rock in there, and got a crack across the hallway. So let's go. Here we are. Yeah, I think I took it. Have you got my paint match done yet?
We're doing it right now, sir.
Are you serious?
Yeah, Charlie wasn't here this morning, so.
Ryan. Thanks, Brian.
I gotta hit the beat. I gotta hit the beat. I gotta hit the beat. I gotta hit the
Okay, well the texture's done. I think it turned out okay. Let's go try to touch up some paint and see if they matched it good.
It's like a magic eraser.
If I charged more for these paint jobs, I could afford to have Blake Shipman on budget to do the comedy, and then the videos would be much more entertaining. I think it's going to be too dark. We'll see.